Greetings, everyone. This is your Toy Commander. And are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I.
Planet Zizzle!
Okay, kids, today I'm
super excited
because we are going to create a treat from this
Hot Wheels.
Build Your Own Cookie Garage. This kit includes assorted candy and easy-to-use icing and cutouts. And here's a picture on the front of what we will probably do. Maybe we'll just do the same exact one because that looks really cool. So on the side it says skill level and it says 2. I think the Toy Commander can handle a skill level 2. But on the back here are all the contents. We have some icing bags, we have some frosting, some different candies, and here are the cutouts right here. And here's some directions on how to put together your cookie garage. Okay, so kids, what are we waiting for? Let's get this thing unboxed and start putting it together.
Yeah, let's do it. I love sweets. Woo!
Okay, let's take everything out of the box. Here is our gingerbread cookies right here. Some candies. Let's just slide it all right out. Icing. More icing. All right, looks like we have enough stuff here. So here's what we have. We have these 2 small tubes of icing, black and white. I don't know if that's going to be enough to cover everything, but I guess it will be. We have this giant tube of red and a bag of blue and some gumdrops and some little jawbreakers. All right, let's go to our first step. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, it says to separate some of these pieces, we have to break these right here at this line carefully so we don't break anything. All right, there's those 2. Let's do this one carefully. And now we have to break these 4 pieces. Okay, now let's start putting it together. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is line some icing right along the side walls right here, like this. I want to put enough so it will, whoop, that's a little bit of air in there. And we're going to take these 2, put one there, and one here. Now that has to dry for a few minutes, and then we'll work on the other side. Now we're going to put the overhead pieces in over the garage. I'm going to let that dry for about 15 minutes, then I'll come back and I'm going to put my roof on. And next I'm going to line the whole top of the building with some more red icing so I can put my roof on. There we go. Let's let that dry and come back and decorate. Okay guys, now that we have our frame all dry, let's start making some designs here. And I have this blue I'm going to put out on this plate for now, and I'll tell you why in a minute. So now I'm going to start getting this blue color in here along the windows in the front of the garage. And I think it's a lot easier if we can paint this stuff on the side here. Watch. So now that I cut this piece out, I'm going to stick it on here. Okay, so far, here's the front. I think it came out pretty good. Now we're gonna start working on the roof. Okay, I'm gonna let the black dry and then I'm going to do the white. So in the meantime, we're gonna spin it on the side and start doing the windows. Now it looks like the white doesn't quite cover as great as the black does, but that's okay. Maybe when it dries it'll get a little bit brighter. Alright kids, here's the Hot Wheel garage all built, and there are a few Hot Wheels. That's what the box looks like, and that's what mine looks like. There is a little bit of a difference, but you know, still came out pretty good. There's the side view with the window on that side, and there's another window on this side.
Cool garage, Toy Commander, but does it work?
Well, why don't we try it out there, little guy?
Cool.
Alright kids, that's it for this video with the Build Your Own Cookie Garage from Hot Wheels. Don't forget to smash that like button, but not smashing my cookie, and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I will see you on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.